I've opened up the search screen and we'll just look at those resources we've downloaded from SCIS. Go to Other Searches and click on Lists. There's the list we just created and add those records to, digital resources examples. We'll click on that. And there's our resources. We'll just put them into title order. So from the drop-down list where it reads relevance, I'll put them into title order. The first of our records is the CD-ROM. We can see it's got the image that we attached. We'll hover over that title to see some further details, and we can see it's a physical resource with a copy that's available in the audio-visual collection. That's just a normal resource, very similar to what you do for a book. Next record we've got here is Hard Times, which is an ebook. If I click on Hard Times, look at its details, we can see it's got a link to our website. If we click on that link, that takes us to the Project Gutenberg website, where we can download Hard Times by Charles Dickens in several different formats. I'll just click on the EPUB version, open that up, and I've got an EPUB reader installed on my computer. After a couple of seconds we'll be able to read that. There it is. I'll just double click on that title. I can then read that ebook. So different formats of different ebooks that you've got access to will need different readers to read them. I'll just close that window when I'm finished with it. That's taking me back to my Oliver result. There's the other ebook I downloaded, which is the Matthew Riley ebook. I'll click on that. It's very similar with a web address, except in this case it's only a PDF file. So I'll click on that web address, and then I can read that PDF file on the screen. And as a PDF file, you can save that. You probably wouldn't print this one out, but you could save it and read it later on your computer. This is just a 13-page ebook. There we go. So you start reading through that. The next resource which we downloaded was the app, the Spirit of Anzac Centenary Experience. So if we click on that, another link, some extra links to websites here. There's a link to the Google Store, also a link to the iTunes Store. This just gives students and staff some information as to where they can find this particular app. So if we clicked on one of those, it takes us to that particular website, so at least they can see what the app would look like when they download it. You'll see next to the Matthew Riley ebook there's also a Google Preview link, the little icon. That's displaying because the ISBN that's attached to this resource is available in the Google Books area, and if the ISBN is matched, it displays a Google Preview icon. When you click on the Google Preview icon, it takes you straight to the Google Books store, and you can read some of it there. The last record we downloaded was an Issues in Society, and if we click on this particular issue, we can see it's got a file attached, a PDF file. So if we click on that file, we can open up the file and read it on the screen. Again, being a PDF file, there'll be options to save or download this file, print it out, or we can just read through. Different functions available in different types of PDF files. This particular PDF file from Issues in Society, the contents are clickable, so clicking on these particular links will take you to that particular part of the PDF file. We'll close that. So you can see different ways of accessing digital resources that we downloaded from SCIS. I've grouped all these resources together by using the list function, which I showed you earlier. And you can see that different bib types behave differently. The Hard Times ebook was a digital resource, so it displays with a tick, because it can sometimes have copies. Yet the website, it doesn't have a ticker across because it's always available, so you don't need a ticker across for those things that don't have copies.